Hey guys, how are you? Vladimir here from Home Trader Club, and in this video I want to follow up on the euro dollar, follow up from the most recent weekly forecast to share with you my current analysis and from what levels I believe the euro dollar should provide at least short-term buy opportunities. Ready? Let's begin. Before the chart, big thanks to Edka Broker for supporting me and my channel and to enjoy the very great offers we have. Thanks to Edka Broker. Please follow with the link below this video in the description. So as I mentioned at the beginning, the follow-up here would be to the idea we discussed in the weekly forecast that these rallies should be great sell opportunities. The euro dollar is down 100 pips since then. The biggest question now will be down to where? So as you remember, when I shared the weekly forecast, we're talking about the Bollinger Band duplication and the 20 candles ride on the Bollinger Band, and the fact that we are bouncing from a supply on a daily chart, which means very possibly we are going to the next demand area where the buyers are, and that would be, this is the first very important zone. Of course, we have a zone here also, very strong low, and this strong low. So that would be the area where I believe the euro dollar will start to slow down and provide short-term, at least short-term buy opportunities. Now the interesting part here that if we plot the rising supportive trend line here, you can see it will fit directly in the volumes, in the demand area, sorry. We have here on the daily chart again demand, all the places where the buyers took the control. Now also the great part here, this would be the lower band of the daily Bollinger Band. And remember, after riding on the upper Bollinger Band, we expect the price to drop to the lower Bollinger Band at least. Besides that, we have a very strong balance zone based on the volume profile. The first zone was here and it's holding as a resistance, so this is expected to be as the support. And if we take that to the 4-hour chart, this is where it starts to be interesting. So remember the daily levels we discussed, right? It's all around here, but it's very interesting already as we have right on the lower Bollinger Band, which means sellers slowly starts to lose their grip on the oversold run, extreme run. We have a 200 dynamic moving average here. We have the volume profile based balance zone. We have the trend line that we saw before, and we have RSI close to oversold conditions. So in my understanding, the euro dollar should slowly start to round here, and ideally will create for us the condition of a bullish divergence where the market will make lower lows, but indicators will make higher lows. And from that zone we discussed and we saw, we could anticipate short-term buys. What would be your view on this interesting opportunity? Let me know in the comment section below this video. If you find value in this video and you appreciate the trading opportunities, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel, welcome to our fantastic community. Please consider to subscribe with the subscribe button below this video. Also, I want to take the opportunity to invite you to our trading family, the Home Trader Club, to enjoy from all the comprehensive trading courses for beginners, advanced, real-time trading education and opportunities, access to the community, and way so much more. Join our family with the link below this video. So thanks again for watching this video. Best to you and yours. I'll see you soon with more. Good trading. Bye for now.